This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
When it comes to pricing, Markets.com does not operate on a traditional published fee table with clearly itemized costs up front. Instead, the platform positions itself heavily around promotional incentives, rather than fixed, openly displayed pricing. Rather than emphasizing standard spread or commission schedules on its main pricing pages, Markets.com highlights first deposit promotions, bonuses, rebates, and reward programs designed to attract new clients. These offers often include deposit-based bonuses, first trade incentives, and trading rebates that scale based on trading volume, all governed by specific terms and conditions. Because of this structure, the true cost of trading on Markets.com is primarily embedded within spreads, overnight financing charges, and instrument-specific costs, rather than presented as transparent, line-by-line pricing. Traders should understand that promotional bonuses are typically not withdrawable as cash until predefined trading volume requirements are met. While bonuses can often be used for margin support or to offset losses, they generally cannot be withdrawn directly, meaning they function more like conditional trading credit rather than actual account equity. This makes Markets.com appear attractive at the entry stage, but requires careful attention to bonus conversion rules to avoid misunderstandings later. Feature-wise, Markets.com is built as a multi-asset CFD trading platform aimed at retail traders who prioritize simplicity and broad market exposure. Users can trade Forex, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and bonds from a single environment. The platform supports web-based trading, mobile applications, and MetaTrader integration for traders who prefer a more traditional execution setup. It also includes built-in charting tools, technical indicators, economic calendars, sentiment data, and core risk management features, such as stop loss and take profit order. There is a strong emphasis on accessibility and user experience, with clean interface design, relatively fast onboarding, and educational material geared toward newer traders. Markets.com also focuses heavily on leveraged CFD trading, allowing traders to control larger positions with smaller capital, which can amplify both potential gains and potential losses. On the pro side, Markets.com offers an easy entry experience, attractive promotional incentives, a polished and beginner-friendly interface, and access to a wide range of global CFD markets from a single platform. It suits traders who want convenience, visual clarity, and a streamlined trading workflow. On the con side, pricing transparency is limited, with most trading costs embedded in spreads rather than clearly published pricing tables. Bonus structures can be restrictive, withdrawals may be tied to trading volume requirements, and more advanced traders may find the platform less flexible or customizable than execution-focused or institutional-style trading solutions. For traders who prioritize precise cost control and execution efficiency, the promotional pricing model may feel less predictable than commission-based alternatives, especially over longer-term or higher volume trading strategies. Shifting to pricing, Admirals Group takes a more traditional and transparent broker-style approach compared to promotion-driven platforms. Admirals structures pricing around specific account types, platforms, and execution models rather than bonuses or incentives. Traders can choose between accounts built on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, with differences in spreads, commissions, and available instruments depending on the selected setup. For example, accounts such as Trade.mt5 typically combine spread-based pricing with zero commissions on many instruments, while zero-style accounts feature tighter spreads that can start near 0 pips, but introduce per-lot commissions, particularly on Forex and metals. This structure allows traders to align costs more directly with their strategy, whether they prioritize simplicity or tighter execution pricing. Leverage availability varies by jurisdiction and account type, reinforcing Admiral's emphasis
on regulatory alignment and risk control rather than aggressive promotional leverage. Feature-wise, Admirals is built around the MetaTrader ecosystem, offering MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile environments. Traders gain access to Forex, indices, commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and stock CFDs, depending on account configuration. The broker also supports investment-style accounts, Islamic accounts, and demo environments, giving users flexibility beyond short-term CFD trading. Admirals places a strong focus on education and analytics, offering webinars, trading courses, market analysis, sentiment tools, and extended platform features designed to support more disciplined decision-making. Advanced charting, expert advisor compatibility, and risk management tools make the platform suitable for both discretionary traders and those using semi-automated strategies. On the pro side, Admirals delivers clearer pricing structures, strong regulatory positioning, deep MetaTrader integration, and a wide range of educational resources. The platform appeals to traders who want predictable costs, platform stability, and professional tooling without relying on promotional mechanics. On the con side, traders looking for aggressive bonuses or short-term incentives may find the experience more conservative. The MetaTrader-centric environment may feel less visually modern compared to proprietary platforms, and newer traders may face a steeper learning curve when navigating multiple account types and pricing models. In terms of user feedback, Markets.com currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.8 out of 5 based on 1,243 reviews, while Admirals holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.1 out of 5 based on 2,069 reviews at the time of recording. Ratings are subject to change, vary by region, regulator, and account type, and may reflect individual service interactions rather than overall platform performance. Viewers should always verify the latest data directly on Trustpilot and read recent reviews for context before making any trading decisions. Final takeaway. If you prefer a visually polished platform with broad market access and incentive-driven onboarding, Markets.com may feel more approachable at the entry level. If your priority is transparent broker pricing, MetaTrader-based execution, and structured educational support, Admirals offers a more traditional trading environment. These platforms are not direct competitors. They serve different trader profiles. Choose Markets.com for simplicity and accessibility. Choose Admirals for pricing clarity and execution control. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and build consistency over time, not just what looks attractive on a landing page.